Greetings, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of Korean cuisine to explore a dish that might be new to some of you. Kongnamul Gukbap. Get ready to uncover the hidden stories and tantalizing tastes behind this dish. Do you know what is Kongnamul Gukbap? Before we get into the lesser-known facts, let's start with the basics. Kongnamul Gukbap is a traditional Korean soup that combines a hearty broth with a medley of fresh vegetables and seasoned soybean sprouts, known as Kongnamul. The dish is not only delicious but also brimming with history and culture. Here we are talking about the origins and history. Now, let's uncover some lesser-known facts about the origins and history of Kongnamul Gukbap. It hails from Jeonju, a city famous for its rich culinary heritage. This dish was born in the humble homes of Jeonju's residents and later gained popularity as a staple meal for workers in local markets. The secret ingredient? Fermented fish. Here's an interesting twist. One of the secret ingredients that give Kongnamul Gukbap its unique umami flavor is jeotgal, a fermented fish sauce. This adds depth and complexity to the broth, creating a harmonious blend of tastes that truly sets this dish apart. Nutritional highlights. Now, let's talk nutrition. Kongnamul Gukbap isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds. It's also a wholesome and balanced meal. The soybean sprouts provide an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, the vegetables and broth contribute to a nourishing experience. Regional variations. Did you know that Kongnamul Gukbap can vary across different regions of Korea? In some areas, they might add rice or noodles to the soup, creating a heartier version. It's fascinating to see how local ingredients and preferences influence this beloved dish. Making Kongnamul Gukbap at home. Now, it's time to bring Kongnamul Gukbap to your own kitchen. While the traditional recipe might take some time to master, it's a rewarding culinary adventure. We'll leave a link to the recipe in the description below, so you can enjoy this wholesome dish whenever you want. Before we dive into the lesser-known details, let's briefly revisit Kongnamul Gukbap's essence. A cherished Korean dish, it combines a clear broth infused with the earthy goodness of soybean sprouts, creating a delectable symphony of flavors that echoes centuries of tradition. Unveiling the broth's complexity. Did you know that the secret to Kongnamul Gukbap's soul-soothing broth lies in its meticulous preparation? Traditionally, the broth is simmered for hours with a medley of aromatic ingredients, like garlic, ginger, and green onion. This slow infusion captures the essence of each element, producing a broth that's both robust and delicate. Jeonju's culinary heritage. Now, let's explore Jeonju's culinary heritage, the birthplace of Kongnamul Gukbap. This city isn't just famous for its dish, it's a cultural hub. The Jongsejeon Shrine and Hanok Village are testaments to Jeonju's historical significance, making a visit to the city an immersive experience in both food and heritage. Regional twists on Kongnamul Gukbap. Venturing beyond Jeonju, you'll find intriguing regional variations of Kongnamul Gukbap across Korea. In Busan, they might add seafood for a briny twist, while in Seoul, the focus might be on a beefy broth. These regional adaptations showcase the adaptability and creativity inherent in Korean cuisine. And there you have it, the lesser-known facts and delicious delights of Kongnamul Gukbap. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting to explore Korean cuisine, this dish is sure to captivate your taste buds and introduce you to the rich history of Jeonju. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!